I want to melt metal, but the stuff to do that is really expensive, and you can't just throw it in the microwave, can you? Here's how it works. You take silicon carbide, microwave, get the silicon carbide hot, vibrating the molecules. You surround the silicon carbide in insulation to keep from melting the rest of your microwave. Here's a finished product. But what if the glue just melts or comes off because I didn't let it dry fully? Well, that's where God comes in. Found this microwave in my brother's room. Do him a favor, really. This thing is gonna burn the house down. Nothing exploded. Good thing about these fumes is that nobody can tell I sharded 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go take a shower before I burn the house down or die of lung cancer or something. Maybe both.